Good morning from the beautiful and sunny Greek islands. In this video, I will talk quickly about the alignment of some open hip posture. We are in the middle of a foundational yoga course in Lefkada Island, Greece, and Maria is going to be my model today. So, Maria, come to extended triangle pose. So, place your heel. These mats, by the way, the ones that have a line in the middle of them are great for beginners because they help you a lot with the alignment. So, Maria is placing her foot on the line. And then this is a common misalignment that the back foot is totally somewhere else. So Maria, bring the foot somewhere here. So Maria's heel is going to be aligned with the middle of her back foot. So step it just a little bit back, Maria. No, back like here. Bring your heel here. Perfect. This back foot, the outside edge of the foot is parallel to the back edge of the mat. When the toes are also turned slightly in, let's show it. This is also okay, but for beginners, I recommend that the foot is parallel and not toes in. Okay, so open the arms out. Take an inhale here, exhale. Put your hand on your right shin and extend the left arm up. So alignment is heel to arch of the back foot. The left hip is open. The spine, the main alignment of Utthita Trikonasana is that the spine is nicely aligned over the front leg and the left hand is up. When you are in this posture, you can either look forward or more challenging for the balance is when the drishti is at the upper hand. So this is the alignment for extended triangle. Do you remember the name of this posture in Sanskrit?
Utthita Trikonasana.
Utthita Trikonasana. Good. To come out of the posture, look down first. Take an inhale and press through this heel. Inhale, come up. Let's change it on the other side. The left foot turns out. Bring this heel more back so that we align the heel with the middle of the back foot. Tailbone tucked in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Place the left hand on the shin. Another important element of the alignment is that this hand is not just hanging here. You want to use your leg as a prop, push into that leg to gain some height into the upper hand. The spine, the hip is open and the spine is nicely aligned over the front leg. Good breathing. To come out of the posture, look down, press into the front heel, and the inhalation brings you up. Change the feet, Maria. Let's show Warrior 2. This posture has a bigger step than extended triangle. Arms parallel, inhale here, exhale, bend the front knee. Again, a common misalignment here is that the knee goes in. Maybe the inner thighs are tight. So you want to push the knee to the side. And when you look down and inside of the knee, you want to make sure that you see two toes. A really good way to help you with this alignment is to imagine that you have someone, you have your yoga teacher or another student practitioner, and push into my hand, Maria, push into my hand. Do you see two toes from the inside of the knee?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So even if you don't have someone to help you with this, push more, push into me, push, nice. Even if you don't have someone to help you, you could sometimes practice straighten the leg, relax. You could keep the knee bent, put a block here and go close to the wall. So you would push the knee into the block and the wall would be here. So that is when the thigh is really working and you would definitely see two toes on the inside when you would push the block to the right. Let's change sides for warrior 2 on the left side. So again, heel to arch, really ground through the outside edge of the back foot. Tailbone tucked in, both sides of the rib cage nice and long, arms parallel to the floor. In Ashtanga, the gazing point is at the middle finger. Right hip stays open and left knee stays over the ankle. And straighten the leg. Relax, you can close the legs a little bit. Take a big step, Maria. Put your heel on the middle of the white line. Take a bigger step and align your heel with the line that we see on the mat. Nice. Take the warrior 2 position again, bending the front knee. And now place the right hand on the thigh and the left hand either to the sky, like this, or over the ear for, what's the name of this posture in Sanskrit?
I forgot.
Uttita
Uttita
Parshvakonasana.
Trikonasana.
Good. So again, this hand activated. Bring some energy into the fingertips and keep the fingers together. Nice. Bend the front knee some more. Knee over the ankle. Back knee is extended. The outside edge of the foot is grounded. And we're trying to create a long line from the back foot to the upper arm. And this is Uttita Parshvakonasana, extended side angle triangle. Look down, press the front heel and come up. Let's change sides. Left hand on the thigh, right hand over the ear. Sometimes a misalignment here is that the front knee is not that bent. Can you straighten it a little bit? Yeah, and then it's kind of a marriage between a triangle and a side angle triangle. So bend the knee more. You want here to create a nice straight line from the back foot to the armpit, and then if the hand is over the ear, one, lower the hand a little bit. Nice. One long line from the fingertips to the back foot. Look down, press into the heel. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale. Good. Close the legs.